Hi, and welcome to chord tutorial number 112. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and we're not using the capo. We're going to start with an E minor chord. With E minor, we're simply holding down the second fret as far as the A string and D string are concerned. Everything else is left open, and we're playing that chord from the low E string. The next chord is C major 7. We're simply going to do that. Now C major 7 is simply the middle finger on the D string at the second fret and the ring finger on the A string at the third fret. And if we wanted to make a C chord, all we have to do is add one finger at the first fret. Okay? So if we take that first fret out, we've got C major 7. Put it back. We've got C. And we can strum that from the A string, either chord, or we can use the low E if we want to. It doesn't hurt it much. Just gives it a low fundamental. Okay? That's C and C major 7. A major, we're simply holding down the D, G, and B string at the second fret, and all other strings are open. And we're going to strum that from the A string. G, the ring, finger, and pinky go to the third fret on the B and high E string. And we're going to bring the middle finger into the third fret on the low E string, and the first finger to the A string, second fret, and that's our G. A minor 7. We've got our first finger on the first fret on the B string and the middle finger on the D string, second fret. Strumming that from the A string. If the E string gets in there, doesn't hurt it too much. But we want to aim for that A string. B minor 7, we're going to have to bar. We're going to have to hold down the A string and everything below it at the second fret. Bring in the middle finger to the B string, third fret, and the ring finger to the fourth fret on the D string. And we're going to strum that from the A string. We don't want to play the low E on that one. Okay? E major. Hold down the second fret, A string, second fret, D string, first fret, G string, and strum everything. That's E major. D major. We're holding down the second fret, G string, second fret high E, third fret, B string. And we're going to strum that from the A string or the D string, whichever one. Sounds good both ways. We're going to avoid the low E string on that one. Now for a few specialty chords. The first chord is G7, played this way. We're holding down the B and high E string at the third fret, and we're going to bring in the middle finger to the D string, third fret, and strum from the D string. We're not going to play the low E or A string. That's a G7. We're going to take out that middle finger and put in the first finger on the D string and get E minor 7. Like that. And then we'll take that finger out and get a basic G chord. Okay? Now we're going to add one more chord, and that chord is a B7 suspended 4. We're going to go up to the 7th fret grab a B with our thumb, and then we're going to put an F form under it, starting at the 5th fret. So we're holding the 5th fret down as far as the B and high E are concerned. Then we're going to take the middle finger, put it on the G string, 6th fret, the ring finger on the D string, 7th fret, and then bring the thumb up, or try to get that B note. We're muting the A string, and this is the chord we get. That's B7 suspended 4. Now we can do a substitute for that if we can't get that chord down here to 2nd fret, and this is a B7 suspended 2/4, like that. We can substitute this chord for that one. Okay, so we're substituting B7 suspended 2/4 for B7 suspended 4. Okay. All right. That's it for this chord tutorial. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.